How to change password on Olymp Trade. Hi everyone, welcome back to Trading for Beginners. In this video, we are going to learn how to change your password in Olymp Trade application. First of all, open the Olymp Trade application on your smartphone and then make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're inside the home page, go to the top left corner and tap on your profile icon. Once you do that, you'll end up in the next page where you'll need to click Settings at the bottom. Inside the Settings menu, look for Password under Security, tap on that and go to the first field on the Password tab and enter your current password in the first text box. Once you enter your password, go to the next field and enter your new password you want to change to. Re-enter the new password once again in the last field to confirm and finally click Change Password. Soon after you do that, you will be able to change your password for Olymp Trade. It is that simple and easy. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.